Oh my god, I've been sitting here.
Did you hear me sneeze?
I don't know.
I literally just sneezed out my lungs. I'm in the game and I have a trick. I'm gonna troll some people, so if you wanna join the game and hop in my truck, you can. Dang it!
Justin,
I got disconnected.
hello?
What?
I have to go to bed. I have to go to bed.
Perfect. I mean, I just lost the internet. So, see ya.
Okay, yeah. See ya.
Bye. I got disconnected. I got disconnected.
Can't you go? My legs are about to give out on me. I won't make it. Dad, you can do this. Okay? You can do it. Let's go.
The end, everybody. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, smash that like button, subscribe, comment down below what am I going to do next time. And I hope to see you guys soon. Or maybe in a brand new video in Roblox. Oh, games.